Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create custom combination combo chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to create a custom combination chart. At first, select some data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option, then go to the all chart, select the combo option. We can see here the combination chart. You want to make this chart customizedly, select the series 1. You can add any chart of the series. Now I am select the pie. Now I am select the series 2 and you can add another chart. Now I am select the scatter. You can add any scatter or another. Otherwise you can add the line chart or the column or bar. Now I am click OK. Now I am select the chart and go to the chart design menu. Click the design drop down menu and added another design. You can change the color of the chart easily. You can rename the title. Select the title and write anything. Now we can see we create custom combination combo chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.